Imagine a world where India makes and designs its own chips, a teeny smart brain in the today's smart devices, and it uses in all modern devices in cars, mobiles, and laptops and electronic vehicles. So it is becoming a reality through India's semiconductor mission. So first of all, we have to understand what is semiconductor. What are the semiconductors? Semiconductors are the materials that conduct electricity partially used to make microchip found in every modern electronic device, like example mobile, laptop, electronic vehicle, defense radar, and all the equipments, digital equipments which we are seeing that are made up of semiconductors. So first of all, we have to understand why India needs its own semiconductor industry, because we see there are some reasons. First reason is we have seen that in the during COVID period, there are lots of shortage of there were lots of shortage of semiconductor during COVID-19. Also, another important factor is that 75% of manufacturing of the semiconductor are dominated by the few countries like Taiwan, South Korea, and USA. And also, another important factor that India imports semiconductors from the other countries. It affects on the economy and the self-reliance. And also, most of the sectors, defense, 5G, AI, and all new sophisticated equipments, they contains AI. Without semiconductor, they are not very. They will not be make. Without that, they will not make. And also, India semiconductor mission is also linking to the India's Atmanirbhar Bharat, that is self-reliant India. So, first of all, then we have to understand what is the India semiconductor mission, ISM, India semiconductor mission, that is launched in 2021 through the ministry by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. There are focus areas. There are some targets that government has taken. Government has given, like setting up the fabrication units in our country. Because of that, we can able to we will able to make the semiconductor in our own country. And also through India semiconductor mission, our government is trying to set up chip design ecosystem in our own country. So also another important part is that manufacturing, because manufacturing also another important part. For that, government has aiming to set up manufacturing units in the country. And also many important part through the India semiconductor mission will be targeted as that skilled manpower training, because all the skilled workforce are we are lacking as compared to countries are making steadily growth in that sector. So like in our country there are some big players like Micron from the Gujarat, Tata Sons from the Dholera and Assam, and future vision from that semiconductor vision mission is that India will become a global designer of the semiconductor. That is the aim government is giving. And also going to forward, challenges that we are facing now for the making our own self-reliance in the field of semiconductor. There are main problem is that high capital cost. Like if we set up any a small plant in our own country, so it will cost more billions of dollars. It takes billions of dollars to setting up the small plant, even small plant. So, and also there are also another skilled workforce gap in our country. because most of the engineers are not very well skilled as they want to skill in that sector. Another important challenge is that dependence on the imported raw materials, because when we started manufacturing we are totally dependent, totally we can't say, but majority of the part we are depending on the other countries like US and uh, South Korea, Taiwan. So another main important challenge is that global competition and technology gap, because all the countries are going forward and we are lacking as compared to we have to go forward that direction. That speed is very comparatively low, and also government are taking some initiatives, like governments and private sector are also taking initiatives. Through that, government started Digital India RISC fifth initiative, and also another India's Chip Center of Excellence established by the government of India, and also government is collaborating with the universities like IITs, NITs, and the global talent pool. So also our government is taking initiative to start the cooperation between the international partnerships like US India initiative on the critical technology. That are the initiatives are taken by the government. So that is why we can say that semiconductor are the future of the whole world. And also government is providing subsidy through the India Semiconductor Mission around rupees 76,000 crore for providing the incentives for the companies who are willing to set up plants in our country. That is also a major part. And if we see the future of the semiconductor, Vision 247 is set up by the government, that India will become self-reliant chip power. Because of that, we will be able to achieve our goal, that is self-reliance. And also another main important factor is that we will get the jobs opportunities for the youth, because youth are the very important part in every technology development or manufacturing. So it will gain the opportunities for youth and designs and research. So lastly, I can say that the world runs on chips. If India can make it so, we will not only change the future, but we build the future. Thanks.